Join me to London's Chinatown, a small but mighty world hidden inside of another world, which itself is inside of an even bigger world. It's a place where culture, history, and soy sauce beautifully collide. This is the famous Chinatown Gate. It's big, it's red, and it's full of dragons. But Chinatown hasn't always lived here. The original one was in Limehouse, near the docks. It moved after the war, possibly because soldiers stopped visiting or because Limehouse ran out of soy sauce. Historians just can't seem to agree. Let's learn about one of China's most important inventions, the dumpling. Said to be invented over 1800 years ago by a man who wanted to heal frostbite by wrapping meat in dough, which frankly sounds like something a hungover doctor would do. The modern dumpling, however, is a small pouch of joy, steamed to perfection and filled with delicious regret when you realize you've eaten 12 of them. They say each dumpling symbolizes wealth and prosperity, which means I just consumed the entire UK economy. Now let's step back out. The Chinatown Bakery is a small shop with a very large fan base, mainly anyone with a mouth. These pastries can trace their roots back to colonial trade routes, combining Chinese technique with British obsession for baked goods. In other words, they're the original East-West collaboration, long before Coldplay and BTS tried it. And a few doors down, you can find drinks themed around anime characters, because nothing says cultural exchange quite like sipping fluorescent blue latte under the watchful gaze of a cartoon samurai. It's sweet, it's confusing, and somehow it's everything that modern London represents. And of course, no trip to Chinatown would be complete without, yes, more dumplings. At this point, I've eaten so many I'm probably 60% dough, but it's worth it. Every bite tells a story, usually a delicious one. Despite my obsession with food, Chinatown isn't just a place to eat, it's a place to time travel, people watch, and remember that the world's best adventures are often just a few tube stops away. I'm not sure what I learned exactly today, but I am delightfully full, and that feels like enlightenment. Do you have a favorite spot in Chinatown? Let me know in the comments below, and please like and subscribe like always.